So why all the old Shanachla about never trust a calm February morning, sulking rod imagine Huni, nay, Wheelie, not trust the imagine Huni, all them old sayings. Someone was asking me. Well, I know we're in March now, but I'm catching up on things. In my opinion, it all relates to Bahu Frucklishk. If you haven't heard of it, stick around because I'm going to talk about it over the next few days. Tashan Simil Gobrach. Shaw Kyundan the tragedy Mara is Massa, a Harley Yu. And Lashan, Jertagrosha, Co Hune, Co Soccer, Co Suvnia, Agus Gar Darisha Marshan. Sanihia, Nervisha de Muyagis correct. Shannon Fa, Shilam, Sa, Gasabi, Tagloshanaklo. They say there was hundreds and hundreds of people drowned from the disaster. If you're interested in hearing more about the Brooklyn drowning, and a lot of pishruggy about the story as well, about a witch and a lot of other superstitions, so stick around, give me a follow. But to do Gary Chellu a Clunchton.